Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping...
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be decorating my coffee bar for Christmas, and I'm going to be deep cleaning my kitchen. I really wanted to kickstart the Christmas videos off with my coffee bar because this was the thing that I was most excited to share with you guys. I've been collecting Rae Dunn and I was really excited to display it all, but I'm actually going to start out this video by deep cleaning my coffee maker. It had been a really long time since I've taken this thing apart and really cleaned it. So I am going to disassemble this. I'm going to wipe down the main part, and then I will wash the coffee pot and all of the other parts in the sink and just get everything nice and clean.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
So here is my old coffee bar setup, and then this is what we transformed it to. We ended up moving it to the wall that is across from the refrigerator. A lot of you guys had suggested this to me when I did my coffee bar originally, and I am so glad that I decided to move it so that I could, one, have a bigger space to display all of my Rae Dunn, but two, I just feel like it is now the primary focus of the kitchen, and I just love the way that it looks over here instead of the old place. So I am going to start out by taking all of my Rae Dunn and putting it onto the countertop so I can really see what I have. I already had a vision of what I wanted this to look like, and I was so happy that it came out exactly how I envisioned. But when I started decorating this little mug rack that you guys will see, I was having the hardest time trying to figure out how these mugs were supposed to lay on there. I never really thought twice about what it was supposed to look like as far as laying on there, but I just could not get it right, and I didn't have enough white mugs to do every other mug white and every other mug red. So in the end, I decided to have all of my red mugs in the front and then a couple of white ones in the back. Now, I am not going to be going crazy with the Christmas decorating this year. I wanted my coffee bar to be a little over the top because I was just so excited at all of the things that I found this year, and I wanted that to be the center focus of the kitchen. But when I go to decorate the living room and the rest of the house, I really just think I'm going to keep it very simple with a lot of greens and pops of red here and there. I really want my Christmas decor to be simple but cozy and Christmassy all at the same time.
The first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
So now I'm going to put the coffee, sugar, and tea into the corresponding canisters and get those all situated so that way I could move them onto the coffee bar.
Everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It seems Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
Now this sign that I am hanging, I got from Hobby Lobby, and I had posted this on my Instagram stories, and some of you were saying that you could not find it in your Hobby Lobby or online, so I don't really know what that is all about. I will try to find links for everything that I can in this video down below, with the exception of Rae Dunn items. I obviously cannot link those kinds of things for you guys. You have to go out and find them on your own, but everything else that I mention, I will try to leave a link for. The little trees I got from the Target dollar spot. I have some from last year and this year that I had pulled out to decorate with. I do add some garland to a few places throughout while I am decorating, and honestly, I never get this right the first time, and even now, looking back at this video, I have changed a couple of things. I feel like I always decorate and then I will go back in and revisit that space at a later time and really find areas that I could improve on as far as decorating. So that is why my decor always looks different when you guys see my videos from when I previously had shown them, is because I am always fixing my decor.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the
I'm also going to add a little bit of red ribbon that I found from Walmart, and I'm going to tie those to all of my canisters, and I will be doing the same when I make my hot chocolate bar. I'm really excited for you guys to see that as well. And I just love how this coffee bar turned out. It is so beautiful and everything that I envisioned.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
So now we are going to get into the deep cleaning of my kitchen. I am going to start out by washing some dishes and putting them away, and then you guys will see me cleaning my sink out as well.
Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust, moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough, hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it never happened, maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination?
So moving on, I'm just gonna go through and clean up the counters, put some stuff away from dinner, and then I will go through and wipe down all of the cabinets in here. And I am just using that Melaleuca Tough and Tender spray that I had talked about in my last video. I am using that to wipe down all of the countertops and just get those nice and cleaned off. Now I'm going to go in and wipe down all of the stainless steel, and then I will wipe down my countertops and table. Again, I'm using that same spray. This stuff is great for all over the house, every surface. I absolutely love it. I love the way that it smells, and it does a really good job of cleaning.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
So really quickly, I'm just going to clean up where the old coffee bar stuff was, put that away, and then I'm going to go through the kitchen. I'm going to sweep in here, and then I will be mopping as well. And to mop today, I'm just using some good old Pine Sol.
Forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
And then the last thing that I'm going to do in this video today is make some Rae Dunn inspired bowls. I could not find these anywhere in store, and I really did not want to sell my firstborn child for a set of mixing bowls, so I found some plain white ones off Amazon. They were a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, so I was only able to use 2 of them instead of all 3. And then I got these Rae Dunn inspired letters off of Etsy. I will leave her shop linked down below. They came really quick. They were really easy to put on, and I know it doesn't look exactly like Rae Dunn, but I think it's great for an easy DIY if there's something that you've been wanting to get your hands on.
Let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love out loud.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in the next one.
Don't wanna be shy.